In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly upgrade to Shopify Plus from Shopify with SlashCart. We'll cover everything you need to know. The basics of Shopify Plus. The key differences between Shopify and Shopify Plus. When to consider upgrading. The incredible benefits of Shopify Plus, and a step-by-step guide on upgrading. Let's see what is Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus is designed for businesses experiencing rapid growth. Unlike standard Shopify plans, Shopify Plus offers powerful features for high-traffic stores, complex inventory management, and omni-channel sales. From advanced shipping solutions to comprehensive analytics and seamless integrations, Shopify Plus has everything you need to scale your business. To help you understand when upgrading to Shopify Plus might be the right move, let's compare Shopify and Shopify Plus across several key points. Shopify offers a limited number of staff accounts depending on your plan, while Shopify Plus provides unlimited staff accounts, allowing you to manage a larger team without additional costs. With Shopify, each store requires separate logins and dashboards. In contrast, Shopify Plus features a unified dashboard for managing multiple stores, simplifying oversight and operations. Shopify provides standard support with limited personalized assistance, whereas Shopify Plus includes a dedicated account manager and launch engineer to support your setup and growth. Shopify offers general support and resources, while Shopify Plus provides a merchant success program designed to help you maximize your store's potential with additional support and guidance. Shopify users have access to general support resources and community forums. Shopify Plus users benefit from additional support resources, including advanced training and personalized help. Shopify offers basic features for retail sales, with wholesale features often requiring third-party apps. Shopify Plus includes tools for managing wholesale transactions directly within the platform. While Shopify offers customization options, they may be limited based on your plan. Shopify Plus offers broader customization options, allowing you to tailor your store to specific business needs and branding. Shopify supports a range of API integrations depending on your plan. Shopify Plus supports more API integrations, allowing for greater connectivity with third-party services and tools. Shopify provides basic integrations with various platforms. Shopify Plus offers seamless integrations with more platforms and tools to enhance your store's functionality. Shopify users have access to a wide range of apps in the Shopify App Store. Shopify Plus users get access to exclusive apps and features only available to Plus users. Shopify offers standard analytics and reporting features, while Shopify Plus provides advanced analytics tools for deeper insights into your store's performance and customer behavior. Shopify pricing is tiered based on the plan you choose, with set monthly fees, while Shopify Plus pricing is custom and based on your business needs, offering more comprehensive features and support. Now let's see when to upgrade to Shopify Plus. Is your business growing faster than your current Shopify plan can handle? It might be time to upgrade to Shopify Plus. Consider upgrading if your annual revenue reaches £1 million. You handle over 100 transactions per minute. You're expanding globally and need regional customization. You need more third-party app integrations. You require additional staff accounts, or you want to reduce IT and transaction costs. Now let's explore the benefits of Shopify Plus. Enjoy lightning-fast performance with dedicated servers, advanced customization tools for a unique storefront, efficient management tools like Launchpad and Shopify Flow. Manage wholesale transactions within Shopify Plus. Expanded customer reach with Shopify Audiences. Reduced transaction fees. Access the free Shopify POS Pro plan. Create mobile apps without coding knowledge. Handle high traffic and manage more employees. And 24/7 support and a launch manager to get you up and running quickly. Now let's talk about upgrading with SlashCart from Shopify to Shopify Plus. SlashCart offers a comprehensive upgrading package, ensuring a smooth transition with minimal effort on your part. Here's how you can upgrade. Assess your current needs and future goals. Contact SlashCart for a consultation. Prepare your data for migration. Let SlashCart handle the technical migration. And at last, test and launch your upgraded store. We hope this video has helped you understand the benefits and process of upgrading to Shopify Plus. Upgrading to Shopify Plus with SlashCart can elevate your business to new heights. Don't wait. Unlock your store's full potential today with SlashCart. Thank you.